It's monsoon, and what better place to explore other than Agumbe, also known as the Queen of Monsoons, Cherrapunji of the South, and a biodiverse hotspot. After knowing a lot about this place, it was time to experience it all by myself. I am on this trip with my friends who don't want to leave any footprint on internet. And on the other hand, I want to document everything. It's a very deadly combination, and also it's a challenge to me to exclude them and still have an engaging narrative. So hey you all, I'm Sushma Mantagani and welcome to my channel. Let's explore Agumbe together. It all started with boarding the train from Bengaluru to Udupi. This trip has spaced itinerary which gives one the ample time to soak into the nature and have quality time with your travel mates. After reaching Udupi station as early as 4:30 am, we had all the time to rest a little, get ready, talk to co-travelers and localites to get to know more about the place. And we met this very friendly gang in the waiting room, traveling all the way from Maharashtra to explore Udupi and Karwar.
White camera
White camera, lens camera.
अच्छा वो पहली बार देखा सिस्टम क्या है
If you're curious to know about the lens just like him, well, I've got you covered. Go watch my video on the lens unboxing and reviewing for more information. Now, once thing beku, adu authentic thing beku. We just had our breakfast and the view here is amazing. So after our breakfast at this very adjacent lodging and boarding which we have once, we actually bought ourselves a ticket from this auto prepaid counter to Udupi MTR, and then it costed around 120 rupees. So we will head there now. And then now we are at MTR. So MTR services starts around 7 am and we still have 15 minutes for it. So then we thought we will just withdraw some cash here, and the ATM is just 3 buildings away from the MTR. So now we will go have a breakfast in MTR. It's around 7 right now, and then our car rental is around 10 am. So we have a lot of time right now. So we are just planning to go and explore the city, walk around the roads, and the weather here is very calm, mild and very breezy. Yesterday night there was a rainfall, so it's very cold. It's the right amount of chill. So let me show you how the weather is. Very nice. So we had our second round of breakfast in MTR, and I took onion rava dosa, and I hadn't tried it any time, for this was the first time and I liked it. So I would recommend you also to try it once if you visit MTR. And from there we caught an auto, and while on the way in auto we witnessed our first drizzle here in Udupi. And on the way I got to know that we forgot to pack the umbrella as well as power bank. See, no matter how keenly you pack, you'll miss something or the other on the way. But this power bank is an essential. I should find out some alternative for it. And now our Zoom car has been booked from 10 o'clock and now it's 8 am. It's almost 2 hours here in Radisson's hotel in the launch area. So this has been our first impression of Udupi so far. We were in Udupi on August 15th, and as you can see, Udupi was literally dipped in tricolor. For the power bank that we forgot, we made this alternative purchase and now we are all set to go.
Now starts the trip! Yay!
The road from Udupi to Agumbe is filled with lush green canopy. The ride, the view, completely compensated for the nature getaway that we were looking for. But the warm welcome was yet to surprise us. I just can't tell you how happy I was at this moment. Rain, along with the best nature, friends, and music, was really a treat to the soul. But just when we thought that this particular ride should never end, we saw the hill where Agumbe is located, completely covered in fog and clouds. And I just couldn't wait to get there. Now we are leaving for Agumbe Research Center. We had planned as usual before coming here. We had googled and we had saw some very nice YouTube videos. It was very interesting. Obviously, the recordings and all done by some of the wildlife photographers. So we thought we will get to see all those things, and we came here to ARRS, that is Agumbe Rainforest Research Station. On arrival, we got to know that it's been closed for 1.5 years. We didn't know that. On the way back, we met one who came for checking because they had noticed it, and he also showed us the elephant's footprints. Because I thought go into the forest and then come back, but that's not the scene here. So this is our first day in Agumbe. I didn't know it would turn like this. Not very disappointing. Like the view is the best. Second day, though, we are planning to go for Jogigundi Hills and Sunset Viewpoint. But on just talking to the locals, we got to know that they have closed almost all the falls due to the COVID reasons. By walk, I have reached a point wherein we met the forest officer. So I'll just show you what the officer showed us, like elephant's footprints. So he just saw these and he told, look at the footprints of elephant. I don't know if you can make it out. And see, that is where there is restricted area, and it is written as Someshwera Wildlife Sanctuary. So this has been our first day exploration of Agumbe so far. So let's see. I'll just take some shots here, get some photos, and we'll wrap it up for the day. I came across the ARRS website. If anyone knows on how to contact them and plan a visit to Someshwera Wildlife Sanctuary, drop a comment below. It would help a lot of explorers. So, as ARRS was not open, very less people were there. So it was like this offbeat place in Agumbe. If you want to visit less crowded place, enjoy the nature all to yourself, then you can consider visiting this place. So this was day 1 in Agumbe. Stay tuned to know more about day 2 and consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what this video made you feel. Catch you in day 2 vlog. Until then, bye bye. Happy traveling.